Hi Ayush, hi Mosam. How are you all doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm perfect. I'm doing very well. So welcome to Bollywood Life and thanks for being part of our show, Siblings Confidential. And to all the viewers out there, we are having a special show called Siblings Confidential where we speak to special brother-sister Jodis from the entertainment world. And today, this lovely Jodi who has done a lot of work in television, some in movies also, we're going to be speaking to them where they will be spilling each other's secrets, where they'll tell us about their childhood memories, and they'll be taking us through this special bond they share. So thank you for doing this with us. When you, the very first moment you saw your little baby brother, probably when he came from hospital or when you held him, or what was that feeling like? Tell us about that memory.
So I think what I remember, because we don't have like that much of difference. So like if I had to say we grew up together. So what I remember all about is, how when you're like really young, you always love swings and all. So I just have that memory for sure that he always used to throw me down. And he always wanted to be like in the swing like 24 into 7. And
Okay.
yeah, so I think I do have that memory very clearly.
Okay. Ayush, is that similar for you too?
Not similar. There are many other memories also which we have together. But she's always been giving me things. So I've always been the one who's getting things. He has
Okay.
nothing to complain about.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah.
Now we've seen him from a child actor. He has been doing movies and all. My friend Ganesha too was there. So it's obviously a very cute role. And then there was Uttaran and all. So there's many things. I want you to tell us, Mosam, whether he has always had this acting kira in him, and as a boy growing up, whether you used to sketch him rehearsing in front of the mirror, telling dialogues in front of the mirror. Did he do that?
What I remember as childhood is he he loves watching films and everything, but he's never been someone who would copy. Like he likes to be original. अगर अगर कोई भी आप डायलॉग ले लो, अगर आप बोल रहे हो दिलवाले दुल्हनिया का डायलॉग है कि छोटे छोटे शहरों में बड़ी बड़ी बातें होती है, he'll not copy, he'll have his own version. So I feel that is a good thing where someone wants to do his own stuff and not copy, because you need to be original, right?
Yes,
And that's
absolutely.
how he's come this way. Like he's someone who's done it in his own way. But he has been someone who likes doing these things. Like he's full dramatic.
So from a young age, he has been very original.
Yeah.
And rehearsing, so I used to rehearse that time also before the scenes. And even today, if I'm not shooting, I don't leave my craft. I keep on rehearsing like different monologues every day,
Right.
like in English or Hindi or mythology or historical show. So I don't leave my craft because you need to keep on working on the craft and be active in that
Okay.
case. So you cannot कि ठीक है जब शो मिला या फिल्म मिली तभी काम करना है.
Mm.
You know you your memory power also becomes less remembering things,
True.
and you can't be creative when you are doing different roles every day. So and even if you are watching many films, if you get a particular scene of monologue character, so you can directly recollect and कि हाँ ये कैरेक्टर को मैं इसमें डाल सकता हूँ, सब मिक्स करके कर सकता हूँ. So it is a different way which you can present yourself.
Mm.
So keep on
Absolutely.
rehearsing.
And you, Mosam, if I'm not wrong, do check me if I am. You have been part of some some good reality shows, correct?
Not a reality show exactly, but you have few episodes like MTV Begin,
Yeah.
Gumrah, then Parvarish. So yeah, like I've not always been like a full-time actor. I used to like being in front of camera and doing. So I've been like on and off, but Ayush is someone who's like fully fledgedly into acting.
Okay, so then Ayush, you must tell us that has she always been, comfortable to show her, what do you call it, her asli chehra out there? Ki bhai, I don't care how people judge me, that kind. Because actors are always acting. But has she always been comfortable to just show her real self out there from a young age?
She has always been comfortable to show her skills and work in front of camera. But if I am there, so then she's shy and stuff. She says that यार you make fun of me यार तू मेरा मजाक
Sure.
एक्टर
उड़ाता
है
है.
ना, तो ही जज. जिसको
So
पता नहीं है कुछ भी, वो जज ही नहीं कर सकता आपको.
Hmm.
Someone who knows you in and out, knows you through the skin, so he can easily catch you. So yeah, a bit.
ऐसा कोई एपिसोड है जिसमें उन्होंने आयुष ने जज किया एंड लाइक यार क्यों कर रहे हो तुम ऐसा, मेरा कंसंट्रेशन।
नहीं, हर एपिसोड ऐसा, हर एपिसोड कोई भी लुक टेस्ट हो या ऑडिशन के लिए भी, लाइक I've been working in different production houses. I've worked with them. So कभी भी दोनों को बुलाता ना ऑडिशन के लिए, तो if she is performing, no, she tells me, you go out, you don't stay. Because, there's one point we are not able to perform in front of each other.
Okay, yeah.
After the audition, then or look test or audition anything or shoot, then we make fun of each other. क्या इतना retake किया, ये dialogue ये वैसा. So
but I think that helps us because you like two people who are very true to each other are the best critics because you'll never guide him in a wrong way.
Yeah, true.
But there's always one thing. Whenever we receive any script or something, like if I was doing a film, so I received the name is Night and Fog of the film. It's an English-French film. So I received the script before only. So it is a benefit when you have two actors. She's also an actress. I am an actor. She keeps on, we can ask each other, we can discuss things.
Yeah.
Like if you are an artist, how would you perform? And if this can done, what more can I do? What can I include in this? And even nowadays the system is like self-test bana ke bhej do aap.
Of course.
So here we get a benefit, If she's auditioning me, she's recording the stuff. If something goes wrong, she says, nahi yaar, ye maza nahi aaya. Wapas karte aur aise karte hain. So this is an advantage.
Indeed it is. अभी now I would like to know कि आप दोनों एक दूसरे के favorite childhood hobby हमें बताइए.
Since childhood and even today, she loves to get ready, makeup लगाना, dress up होना, कुछ हो या ना हो.
अच्छा, okay.
And I used to tell you, since childhood he's been like this amazing artist. Like he loves painting and drawing. Like I remember my childhood memory where weekends used to be off, school नहीं होता था. And my parents have always been those kind of parents who love kids being in curricular activities. Like if we enjoy doing something, we are doing that. So I remember हमारा timing होता था कि lunch के बाद चलो आज बैठ के हम ये दोनों drawing बनाएंगे बैठ के. So Ayush used to take these long 5-6 hours and he'd keep drawing, painting, and he used to be like an amazing painter if you go to see.
Okay.
So he loved that. So I think it's a quality which one needs. You have to be so patient while drawing and stuff.
Many hidden skills, Ayush. चलो एक एक करके सारी secrets बाहर आएंगे. Okay, who was most studious at homework between you?
Most studious at
Homework.
Yeah. She.
I think yeah.
अच्छा, आप पढ़ाकू थी.
Studious and stuff like.
और आप क्या मस्तीखोर थे ज्यादा?
नहीं, not मस्तीखोर, but like होता ना वो बाद में हो जाएगा काम बाद में.
अच्छा.
Many times I'll tell you, she used to do my homework. She used to copy my friends' books. So like when I was shooting, like when I was in school, I did film my film Manisha too. Then I did Uttaran. So Uttaran continuously shoot hota tha. So she used to take the notes and she used to copy from me. From friends' books and stuff.
If someone from our school watches this video, they'll get to know that we've done this.
Studios to be like. I've also been studious only, like ऐसा नहीं कि कभी स्कूल में मिस्टेक किया, मिसबिहेव किया. But स्कूल वाले कंप्लेन बहुत करते थे बालों के लिए कि यार हेयर कट नहीं करते.
Okay. हम अभी भी कंप्लेन करेंगे. Okay. And who among y'all was better at sports?
Better at sports?
Sports like.
I think we both were horrible at it.
Yeah.
Really?
स्कूल कंपटीशन होती थी तो वहाँ पे फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड आ जाते थे. But we never participated in inter-school national. Like school में होता था. Yeah, I remember one thing. During my school times, there was a competition. Cadbury का drawing competition हुआ था.
Okay.
So in that I won in my school. Drawing करके उनको देना था, and they would see everyone's drawing, the sketch, and they would send a certificate to the best one.
With a very big hamper of Cadbury.
I got a big hamper with a trophy and stuff, and with a certificate of Cadbury.
बहुत पहले ही
आप. Hidden talent is painting, so yeah.
First of all, what we would like to know is the annoying nickname you all had for each other, perhaps then or maybe even now. What annoying nicknames you all have for each other?
Nickname जो हमारे हुआ करते थे चिल्लू मुल्लू.
It's been like all time.
Okay.
चिल्लू cover पे.
So he's Munnu and I'm Chunnu, and this came up because of that popular film of Govinda and
Okay.
Okay,
हाँ,
okay.
वो Chunnu
Yeah,
Munnu
Chunnu
है ना,
Munnu.
so it's like any new vehicle or anything we get at home, it's a mandatory thing. It has Chunnu Munnu written on it, and it's very funny.
ये निकनेम किसने रखा? मतलब आप दोनों ने रखा अपने लिए कि okay, so what they were fans of Aake?
Aake, because they were very naughty ना, and we were
Yeah.
like, don't do वैसा वाला मस्ती भी हम नहीं करते कि किसी को harm हो. But these noisy kind of kids and were very active in everything. So yeah.
Okay, fine. एक ऐसा खतरनाक childhood mischief जो आप दोनों ने किया है.
हम लोग ने कभी हमारे घर पे मस्ती नहीं की. We never misbehaved at our place and stuff. But हम हमारे मामा के घर पे जाते थे ना, तो वहाँ क्या होता था, उनका घर 4th फ्लोर पे था, I remember. अब तो वो शिफ्ट हो गए, बट जब था 4th और नीचे स्कूल थी नीचे, तो हम लोग क्या करते थे, जैसा रिसेस होता था, कुछ होता था ना, तो हम लोग ऊपर से चीजें फेंकते थे. तो जैसे वो फ्रूट्स हो गए, एनी काइंड ऑफ वाटर जो भी हाथ में आता था मस्ती के लिए. तो
and once so the principal had come up
and
अच्छा मैंने कि पकड़े गए थे.
हाँ, यार आपके बच्चे लोग ऊपर से ये फेंक रहे हैं. And we had very sweet tooth, जो अभी भी है. तो हम लोग हमारे मामा के घर पे जाते थे, तो पेप्सी आती थी, you know that बर्फ वाली.
हाँ, पेप्सी कोला कहते थे उसको.
Yeah, Pepsi Cola. So that and Eclairs was a chocolate that वो अभी भी आती है, but अब इतनी पॉपुलर नहीं जब तब थी Eclairs करके. तो हम लोग वो इतनी खाते थे कि my mother used to shout, "What is this?" Already our teeth were bad that time. So what my nanny used to do, she used to lock my mom in the bath when she used to go for bath and stuff. उसको lock कर देते थे और हमको खिला देते थे, ये लो खाना वाला बच्चे.
तो आपकी नानी तो आप लोग से ज्यादा मस्ती करती थी.
Yeah. She's like supported us in anything and everything.
Even today, हम लोग आज भी जाते हैं, इतने बड़े हो गए, फिर भी वो पेप्सी कोला और Eclairs रहती है हमारे लिए.
So sweet.
And वो आइसक्रीम जो आती थी, कलरिंग आइसक्रीम आती है, पिंक कलर की, ड्राई पिस्ता, पिंक मैंगो, ऑल मिक्स आती है. So that also we used to eat a lot that time.
So sweet, nice memories. अच्छा, तीसरा अभी now this is getting a little more interesting. Who had more girlfriends or boyfriends while growing up?
We don't think like we haven't dated or stuff because we don't think we have found someone who deserves us.
And also I think we both have been very much focused in our work that it's become that हमारे पास इतना वक्त नहीं है, I guess maybe to invest, because relationships are like commitment. It's like you need time. It's like when you give someone the authority to be in your life, you have to give that person a time. And I think we both have equally been in our area, someone who wants to first do good
and we
work.
are very career oriented people. Because we have thought always something कि हम लोग को ये करना है, because we remember the sweat and time that my parents have put. We don't want to waste that. Even in industry, entire industry knows that whenever I shoot, I always have my father with me. He's always there. So like I don't use set ka food and stuff. So from restaurant he gets, then ये वो मेरा जो भी daily routine रहता है. So entire day वो car में रहते हैं या vanity में रहते हैं. But so we've seen what our parents have given to us that time. He keeps his business aside and he's always behind us. Even today,
the first try
even today, if I have been called for a look test, he comes with me because he says that. See, I'm not saying industry is negative. Everyone knows how industry is. So he's saying, yeah, I don't want you to get into wrong league or something. You know, when लोग सोचते हैं इसके साथ कुछ आड़ी टिड़ी बात नहीं करने से पहले सोचते एक बार या कुछ भी misbehave करने से पहले. So we've seen the hard work. So we don't want to waste that. We have something in mind. We want to achieve that first.
Okay, generally relationships नहीं, but I mean to say while growing up, college में dating तो किया होगा आप लोग ने, हर कोई करता है dating, you know, going out at least for a movie date or a coffee date. तो उस हिसाब से
dates, right?
It's not dates, just chilling with friends.
Yeah.
So basically, all
date thing is very different.
But
I think
you all are pretty good. Not many boyfriends.
Be like you're going on a date, but the other way around, it's like it's a casual meeting, like you're just meeting someone.
Okay. तो आप लोग काफी गुडी गुडी रह चुके, लेकिन कभी तो झूठ तो बोला ही.
I have a lot of female friends. That is the fact.
Those are friends. Yeah, those are friends.
And I have a lot of male friends, so yeah, it's okay. And they're flirt also, so it's like a big deal.
ऐसा, you know, the biggest lie which either of you all have been caught in?
But lie.
क्या आप
We've
लोग
always been
झूठ बोलते
open
हो?
and
कभी तो एक तो झूठ.
We stay in a nuclear family. It's him, me, mom and dad. So our thing has been that we brought up only such way कि अगर तुमको कहीं
there's nothing
जाना
to
है,
hide.
you can tell with whom you're going and like where you're going. That's it. So we don't know. We've never been restricted. Like if he's a male or I'm a female, I've never been stopped from meeting to a guy friend, or he's never stopped that why are you meeting a girl. So I think when you brought up in such a family, you will not have all these like वो छोटे मोटे झूठ ठीक है अभी you will say कि कहीं कुछ खाने ना बोला होगा तुम वही खा के आओगे. So that all is ठीक है.
There's no need to lie because everything is very open and parents are very
Yeah.
supportive.
Okay.
You share
So
everything.
there was no need
Yeah,
like that.
because of and our parents have had love marriage, so they've been in kind of a generation where they understand things, they know how it is. So पता नहीं
मतलब
ऐसे
तो
बड़े
जरूरत
वाले
ही नहीं पड़ी
तो शायद
झूठ बोलने.
हाँ.
Okay. Both of y'all, who was your first non-celebrity crush?
It is still date, I think. Mine is Salman Khan, like forever. It's like I remember in first standard जब वो उसका news आया था, he was being caught and put in the jail because of that Kiran thing. My father had literally told me, and even he had been involved in that. They were like, because when I stay 2-3 minutes to police station, and that he's been brought over there, and they're not giving him breakfast. So do you want to give him samosas? And I asked him, do you think it's true? He's like, yeah, you should buy that and you should go and give it to him. And poor me, I actually thought it's the truth.
नॉन सेलिब्रिटी क्रश मेरी स्कूल की टीचर थी जो हमारी इंग्लिश लिटरेचर की टीचर थी वो थी नॉन
Okay.
सेलिब्रिटी.
I think I think could have been like some random guy when you are in school and you see some handsome looking boy. I think very such a college going boy whom I didn't even know. But it's like just that 2 minutes that thing that comes and goes and then it's like forget
Fleeting.
it time.
Okay.
हाँ.
ठीक है. And now we are going to play the fun Q&A round, which is called sibling rivalry, because sibling rivalry is a very common. अभी आप दोनों को देखकर ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि आप लोग के बीच में कभी rivalry हुई होगी. तो अगर नहीं हुई है और अगर कुछ भड़ास निकालने का मौका कभी नहीं मिला तो ये कमाल का मौका है. Okay, so this is the sibling rivalry time. First of all, I would like the question to be answered by Mausam. I want Mausam to tell me what was the entry scene of Ayush in My Friend Ganesha 2.
It was in the school till I remember. School में ही entry है. No. I'll tell you what. उसको वो ground पे he beats him up to that guy Ali, who is this. वो लोग जब cricket खेल रहे होते हैं, कुछ कर रहे होते हैं. That time Ayush enters and he tries to rag him and stuff like that. और वो लोग उसकी पिटाई करते हैं.
No.
She's not right, no?
No, it's wrong.
First one I was like, no.
It was school scene. स्कूल का सीन था
मुझे लगा ही.
जहाँ I guess I put the Fevikwik on the seat and वो बैठ जाता है और वो उसका तो उसकी पैंट फट जाती है.
Sorry, Mausam, ये point तो गया आपसे. अभी बारी है आयुष की. Ayush, tell me the entry scene of Mausam in the Big F.
The entry scene was with a girl जहाँ वो लोग बात करते करते चलकर आ रहे हैं.
So he gets this.
सही है, सही है.
He gets this. Okay. Next is, now both of you all have to answer. Whoever answers first gets the point. Okay, for these next questions. When did the first lockdown begin?
March.
12th March.
No, not 12. It was
16.
after 17th March.
21st March.
21st March.
Chalo, we'll give it to Ayush again because he said after 17 March. Okay. Next, who's the father of Indian cinema?
नींव तो जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने रखी थी.
नहीं.
इंडियन सिनेमा. नहीं.
Kapoor's or what? Is it Kapoor's?
I give up this. This we do.
बहुत गलत नहीं बोलना है वरना प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो जाता है. तो
दादा
यार,
साहब
ये नहीं
पाल
पता.
के.
दादा so oh yeah.
Yes. Okay. So you need to get this. Okay. Which now Bossam should be knowing this, but anyways, the question is for both of you all. But you have done reality shows. Which has been the first reality show on Indian TV?
Saregama? No.
Close, but not.
Boogie Woogie.
Not movie also. It's singing only, I guess.
But I guess कि जब से हम लोगों ने टेलीविजन समझना शुरू किया, हम लोग को समझ आने लगा. That time we used to see boogie woogie होता था.
Boogie Woogie काफी early था, but first नहीं था.
Reality show, no?
Yes. And reality show mean, okay, I'll give you a hint. Everything comes in reality. So not only singing, dancing, quiz contest comes in reality, all kinds. Like KBC is also a reality show. Not I'm saying that it was the first. Anything comes in reality.
जब हम लोग like by the time we were in school and we started understanding
Boogie
television,
woogie
it
तो
was
था
boogie
ही.
woogie.
हाँ.
और
उसके
वो
पहले
singing show था.
then Indian Idol was also there during our
But
time.
Indian
ये
Idol
बहुत बात है.
And we were in school. हाँ नहीं कभी भी.
Reality show.
Are we failing horribly or what? I think in this.
Well, at least he has got 2 points till now. You have not opened your account. Okay. You give up.
Yeah, what is the
Yeah,
answer?
what is the answer?
Bonvita quiz contest.
Oh shit, I was just
Oh,
going to say
wow.
that कोई तो मिलता
You
होगा
should have said
Horlicks.
it then. You should have said it then. Okay. Okay. The next one. Now, this one of you, I mean, both of you should get it, but let's see who answers first. Who was your school principal?
Miss Mansukani.
Mansukani. We
Vanita
said it
Mansukani.
together.
Together.
We said
Together.
it together. I should get 1 point, but he's winning, I think.
Together. Okay. What was your 10th standard result?
10th standard result.
His was 70, no?
I was like around
I
78 or
was
something.
72%, yeah.
78 or something.
The first movie both of you all watched together in the theater.
In the theater.
Yeah.
Tere naam, we might have seen.
But this is what you call bonding.
101.
101. Doggy film.
आते थे ना वो doggy white and black
Black
spots वाले.
spots. That
101 Dalmatians.
10, yeah, 101.
Because we made our parents crazy for
Then
that film.
we watched Kalona Ho, Tere Naam.
सारी
So
फिल्में देखी
many
हम
films,
लोगों
yeah,
ने.
we've seen all.
All dramatic Bollywood films to all cartoonish films we watched.
So big movie bus. But yeah, Ayush said 101 first. Ayush, tell me the name of the shows Mausam has been in.
Mausam has been in.
Yeah.
It started from the show called, or it was on Sony. The name of the show was just a second. The first show she did was on TV. Then it was Ardangini she did. Then she did Tere Liye, Dharam Patni, Gumrah, Beggar. Yeah, this many.
You've guessed 5.
After that, then yeah.
Okay.
I thought one name which was the first show she did for Sony TV. She also did Jo Ishki Marzi or Apki Marzi, which I have also done.
Okay, so that's 6. Okay. And one is common. Mausam, tell me the name of the shows Ayush has been.
Okay, so I start with Balika Vadu. He played a very small thing, but he was there and then he left. Then there was Uttaran. Then there was Navya. Then came Mahabharat. Then came V Channel's show Ogujaria. Then he did Suryaputrakan. He's also done Gumrah. He's done Altika web series also as lead. What was the show's name? Class of
No. Cyber Squad.
Cyber Squad.
Cyber Squad.
Cyber Squad. Then Jo Ishki Marzi or Apki Marzi. And yeah, I think so I've named all the shows.
Okay, she just overtakes you in this one. Okay.
Yeah.
But the overall score says that Ayush has won by 1 point more. So sibling rivalry to Ayush ne le liya. I'm sorry about that, Mausam, but Ayush is the winner over here.
See, I'll tell you what, मैं जानबूझ के हारी हूँ because he told clearly that I'm a giver. I don't want him to.
No, this
You're a good
she is
sister.
losing this.
Now you're the good sister. That's very convenient. Nice.
She's losing.
मैंने सोचा try कर लेती हूँ थोड़ा दिखने की that I'm so nice.
Okay, fine. We'll give you that. Be the good sister, and he won it. Biggest prankster.
Biggest prankster.
She also pointed to herself. The biggest chugli-khor, Tatler.
God, it came clearly.
No, she's too
You're allowed to decide.
Grandfather the first only.
Okay, so I'm taking it that दोनों काफी चुगली करते हैं क्योंकि दोनों ने एक तरह चुगली रखी. Who's the bigger hothead among you all two?
Hothead. I am very calm and cool. मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आता जल्दी.
I react like this.
ठीक है.
I first see the thing, I understand and then react.
Okay.
मैं टाइम नहीं करती, मैं डायरेक्टली रिएक्शन.
तो now your fans know कि भाई किसको गुस्सा नहीं दिलाना है, कि अगर कभी दोनों में से कहीं दिख जाए किसको गुस्सा नहीं दिलाना. Okay. दोनों में से who's the bigger entertainer or life of the party?
She.
नहीं यार, I did वो stupid thing.
अच्छा, तो
Very
आप
calm.
voted भी हो, आप entertainer भी हो of the party. Nice.
हाँ.
Okay. Next one. Among y'all, who is more likely to steal some toiletries from the hotel?
I
Okay.
I'm like, oh, so nice now, let me take this.
That is why I think so you're the entertainer of the party also.
And I think we girls are more towards these things. We are very attached, very feeling with all these restaurant stuff and everything.
Yeah, that gets. Parents' favorite.
I.
Yeah, I think.
Totally.
Okay.
Yeah.
But he's my favorite also, so yeah, it's
Who
okay.
doesn't mind? Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. And the bigger bathroom singer.
I guess she will be.
yeah, same always.
तो इसमें most likely to मैं तो भाई मौसम का पाला. Okay.
Hi, everything is like all the wrong things I have been voted for and I have voted my friend.
But
Who also come to
that shows a level of spontaneity also that you have. So काफी, yeah, that comes to a level. Where we show you, yes, certain photos of your past, present, whatever, and we would like to know the story behind it. Okay, so let us go with each one by one. Yeah.
Oh yes, I can see it.
Oh
It's
yeah,
on
yeah.
his film thing when we went with
It's
for
with
Night and Fog.
yeah,
with
but
Rahul ji.
we have so many pictures with him.
Nobody's asking this picture
This
की कहाँ
picture
है?
is
तो
this
हम meeting के बाद भी किए.
Meeting
We
के
had
बाद,
a
yeah.
meeting for his film Night and Fog. उसके बाद we
उसके
were
बाद
chit chatting
We were just chilling out
and
and
we were
stuff.
about to leave, so we
Yeah.
clicked this.
That time we clicked.
So y'all are quite close to Rahul Roy, sir.
Yeah, yeah, very.
Okay.
And he is a very genuine person also, who guides us, but very like
Someone with whom you can share
Yeah,
things, like
yeah.
not someone who gets offended or someone like there's no age gap. I feel.
Okay. Okay. This is the second one.
We went
Mahabaleshwar.
Mahabaleshwar.
This is from Mahabaleshwar.
Mahabaleshwar.
Okay.
guess
And,
it's-
and which is the spot over there? Because Mahabaleshwar to Mumbai ka is a very.
What was the spot? We were just going by car
On the
and
road.
on the road, and there was an empty place area. एक lane जा रहा था, तो empty था, तो we just stepped out.
And how a girl is कि अच्छा location दिखे तो रुक जाना. और picture.
Picture तो लेना ही है.
Yeah,
Okay.
तो यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं.
Okay. So this is another one with one of your favorite people. He's back, and we would like to know he the kissing.
ये
On
उनके
his
birthday का था.
on his birthday, I had genuine roasted
was-
chicken.
And it was an
Interview with
interview
India
with
TV.
India TV.
Okay.
It was his birthday.
So post his birthday, like because on his birthday he wasn't here. He was
Not in town.
shooting.
Yeah, I was
So
shooting.
we had like arranged this entire surprise kind of a thing for him, where we took him to this restaurant and he had like a really good time.
And more than an interview, it was a fun kind of thing. जो journalist बैठे थे इंतजार कर रहे थे और हम लोग अपना ही चालू था
हाँ,
मस्ती.
he's like अब करते हैं शुरू interview.
So it was just good.
Nice. Good memories. Now I think so. I mean, I think this one will be more connected to Ayush, but let's see. Iski
This
story.
is Alika Vadhu का picture. But even after that also we kept on meeting and stuff. We shared good bond. So उसके बाद अलग और pictures भी है हमारे साथ में.
But this particular picture.
Alika Vadhu का.
Yeah. So what was the con with you always just came? There was a candid moment on set. The photo got clicked.
The first one is a candid moment. We were sitting and just talking, and the second one was clicked purposely.
Okay. आपके ऊपर कुछ मेकअप वगैरह लगा रहे हैं.
ये महाभारत का behind the scene BTS का picture है.
महाभारत BTS picture. I'm sorry मौसम फोटोज में थोड़े से आपके भाई के थोड़े ज्यादा कैंडिड आ गए या BTS आ गए.
Also ना,
Yeah.
उसकी behind थोड़ी ज्यादा है.
हाँ, उनके रिएक्शंस अच्छे हैं. अश्मित के साथ ये कब लिया था आपने और इसके पीछे क्या था?
हम संडे को उनके घर गए थे, चिल कर रहे थे अश्मित जी के साथ. He is a very good friend of ours. He resides, we
In town
stay
only.
close by. So we were
It's like this
just
town connection क्योंकि कोई town में रहता नहीं है.
हाँ.
Okay, people think कि अरे ये लोग तो दुबई रहते हैं. It's like this term that people use. कि अरे ये दुबई रहते हैं because people stay like towards the suburbs. So he's the one who stays like
Yeah.
really nearby.
and we share very good bond with him
Yeah,
also.
he's really fun to be with.
Okay,
ये Sunday को we were chilling at this place and ये तभी लिया हुआ picture.
And I
fine.
guess you guys are having some gym talk.
हाँ.
Like fitness के ऊपर they were talking and then I guess then I clicked this picture.
Okay, so did you click the picture?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so guys, जो जो फोटो में नहीं दिख रही है वही this is the reason why this photo is.
Yeah.
Now the final one, ये भी आप इनके साथ भी काफी क्लोज हो.
ये यश बिरला जी है.
Hmm.
He is a very dear friend of mine. He is like a brother. So ये picture हमने click किया है उनके घर पे, उनके gym में. It was his gym and we were working out together. And we clicked the picture after the workout के बाद.
ये भी picture मैंने click किया.
ये भी उसने मौसम ने किया click. She was just sitting and chilling around having coffee and stuff.
So
Workout I won't do.
ऑडियंस और आपके फैंस को मैं ये बता दूं कि अक्सर इन दिस कैंडिड पिक्चर की कहानियां में कहानी के पीछे जो सूत्रधार है वो मौसम है.
मौसम.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's like, you know, वो Big Boss में बताते हैं जो hidden camera होता है, जो
Yeah,
hidden
yeah.
होता है. So I'm like a fire. I'm there everywhere and everything.
With credits भी इसी को जाती है.
True.
It's
But,
like we are Instagram photographer.
So you are like the designated photographer.
Yeah.
Yeah,
मतलब हम एक दूसरे के पिक्चर्स खींचते हैं, हम एक दूसरे के पिक्चर्स जज करते हैं, ये डालनी चाहिए इंस्टा पे, ये नहीं डालनी चाहिए, ये अच्छी नहीं है ये.
यानी
और कैप्शन करना चाहिए.
हाँ.
यानी एक पिक्चर जाने से पहले काफी ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग होती है.
प्रोसेस है बहुत सारे.
डिस्कशन होता है उसके ऊपर.
Okay. But y'all were fantastic. I mean to say there has been lovely memories, emotional, sweet memories, like the memories of your nani, and you'll say there has been some nice mastikhor memories, like the ones you said about throwing stuff from your mama's house.
Yeah.
And then there has been this lovely candid moments. Sibling rivalry, mein I saw the little competition coming and all. So beautiful, fun things that just goes to show what a lovely bond both of you all share. It is perfect. #sibling goals.
Yeah, I
Thank you
think
so
so.
much.
Thanks. It feels great to hear this.
Personify #sibling goals. And thank you so much, Ayush and Mosam, for doing this. It was lovely. And I wish you all many, many years of this lovely bond together. It's a bond very,
Thanks,
very.
guys. Lovely
so
to be
much.
on the show. I think we had a
Yeah.
really good
It
time.
was a really good time. Thank you so much for this. And this is something this is something first time we've shared and open about our personal life.
we-
Otherwise, if you see any news article about me or if you search any of my profile, it is only work related stuff.
True.
Nothing personal.
तभी तो आप लोग को बुलाया मैंने.
Yeah.
So this is what we've done it first time. Like your personal
And also
situation.
together, and it's like
Together, yeah.
we've also just gone through a flashback about everything right now.
I hope
And
you
it
all
was-
had fun.
you know that we both are brother and sister.
I hope you all had fun.
Yeah, it was
Definitely,
lovely.
it was a lovely
It was,
time to
Very good time.
have this chat basically. वरना होता नहीं है ऐसा.
या अक्सर इंटरव्यू में आपने ये काम कैसे किया, आपका ये रोल कैसे हुआ.
Yeah.
So this is something that is also required, and I'm sure your fans are going to cherish this. All the people who have been following you all in your shows, in your characters, they're really going to cherish this, and I look forward to doing this again with you.
Thanks
Thank
so
you so
much.
much. Thank you so much.
And I hope you have a good time in the
Yes.
lockdown.
And a very happy Raksha Bandhan to you too and all the viewers of Bollywood Live.
Thank you so much. That was really sweet of you, Ayush.
Keep having fun, keep making memories like this.
Definitely.
And the most important thing, do take care of your loved ones and yourself and your family in the time of this pandemic, because this is a very crucial time for the entire world. So we need to take care also of each other.
That's a very, very important message. You all do too. Many people love you all. I'm sure many more people than your family and friends also. So stay safe, stay healthy, and take good care of each other like you have been doing till now.
Thank you so much.
Wish you the same.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Lots of love to Bollywood Live.
Thanks, Bollywood, like, for this opportunity.
It's our pleasure. Bye bye, and take care and stay safe.